Hey guys, how you doing? It's me, Vivian. Whoop-de-doo. Well, we had barbecue chicken last night and baked potatoes. Well, we didn't eat all the baked potatoes, so there's like 3 here, so I logged them. Is that what? No, plank them?
Wedged.
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 Oh, wedged them. Okay. We wedged them and put the chunk them. And put this stuff, sprinkled that over it.
Good.
And then we're going to bake it a little while, along with some baked beans, Bush's baked beans. So, anyway, I'll let you know what they look like later. I said later. Hey, this thing won't shut off. Oh my God.
It misses you.
It's not shutting off.
Hard reboot.
We've got a freaking ghost playing with the camera.
Hey, don't joke. You know that ghost.
No, what? All right, you push the little stop button.
Here.
Power button.
Here. Where's the stop?
The little square button.
The square one?
No, the square one.
That one?
No,
this one.
Yeah.
All right, Mildred.
Oh my God, I've never had this. All right, I'm gonna have to turn the phone off.
Maybe we'll be.
Okay, guys, we're back. We're making those potatoes, right? So we figured what better to put on baked potatoes than bacon. But they're hard little pieces, so this is what we're going to do. We put them in a baggie. We're going to put the towel over it. And then TJ's going to beat the shit out of it.
That noise. You'll clean it off with the noise.
Yeah. If it's too loud, they'll shut it down.
Don't mess
Oh,
with
you.
me.
Yeah. No, you got it wrong. That's the end that you need.
No, because I'll make
No,
holes in my.
I mean, if you're going to hit someone, hit them with the sharp end.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, we're making bacon powder.
That's right.
Bacon powder. So, for people who don't have a lot of teeth or soft teeth, and you want bacon in the worst way.
When my mom was sick, I powdered real bacon, putting it through an old strainer, rubbing it, so I could sprinkle it on cherry tomatoes.
And you could sprinkle it on scrambled eggs and not have to have all the health hazards of eating a lot of bacon. So,
I think we got it.
ooh, yay.
You can show it on the.
Yeah, we'll show it on the end product how fine it looks. Yeah, we'll be back.
Oh, Lord. Really?
It's not shutting off. Okay, we're back and the stuff is done. So what I'm going to do is put a little butter on them. Wait a minute. I don't want sweater hair in the potatoes, okay? So,
Stick the fork in the butter stick and just rub the butter stick on it. That's me.
that's what I do with
That's it. There you go.
corn on the cob.
That's it. Easiest way in the world, huh?
Yep. Okay. All right, now.
There's the chicken. Looking good, Bill. That chicken's looking
Okay.
good.
We want to do the bacon or cheese first? Bacon first.
Whichever you want.
Now, last night I made twice baked potatoes, and this would have come in handy last night.
Mm.
But, is that enough for you?
That's fine.
Okay. And then I'm going to put some cheese. I think we need to put it back in the oven for a minute.
I would. Just to melt up the
It'd
cheese.
be really cool if we had sour cream, but we don't. So, oh well, too bad, so sad. Okay. Put this baby back in the oven for a minute or two. Till the cheese melts.
There you go.
Yep. Whoa. Yeah. Hopefully it will turn out. And we're
There's
having
your
bush
baked
beans. Yum. So this was meal 2 for that.
Yeah.
We had barbecue chicken and twice baked potatoes last night. We're having, yeah, I put it on it. The chicken or the potato planks, chunks, whatever you want to call them.
Wedges.
Wedges. I keep forgetting that. Okay. I'm hungry now. I'm hungry. Okay, that's about it. So
Yes.
we taught you how to make bacon powder.
I'm gonna market that.
Huh?
I'm gonna market.
You're gonna market it?
No.
Good job. I think that's a good idea. What was with the camera last time? Did it cut off? Or did it not cut off last time?
It cut off last.
This is a weird thing I'm going through.
It didn't cut
right now.
off tonight.
It did. Oh, God. Okay, well, here's hoping that it cuts off. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I get that piece because the thing touched it. And that's dinner tonight, guys.
That looks really good.
Yummy.
Really good.
So, anyway, you guys take it easy. Take the long way home.